$2,400 and potentially even up to $3,000 worth of stimulus currently on the table right now for Social Security, retirement, disability, SSDI, and survivors beneficiaries. What am I talking about? Well, that's exactly what we want to cover in this video, as there's a lot of people asking about this, and there are so many things floating around out there right now, so I want to lay it all out in this video and let you know what is potentially out there for all of these tens of millions of beneficiaries. Let's get right into it. Welcome, and thanks so much for joining me. If you're new here, or if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button right down below the video, as I'm back each and every day in videos just like this one, bringing you all of the latest updates hot off the wire as they are being released to help you out in any way that I can. I know it's incredibly confusing. Sometimes I even look through all the information and think, whoa, what is going on? I'm confused as to everything out there. But don't worry, I do hours and hours of research on this every day. I lay it all out in these videos to help you during this time, because I want to make sure that you can get as much money and or benefits that you possibly can during this time as a result of all of these packages that are being passed out there. So again, thanks for your support. Subscribe down below so you don't miss any videos going forward, and I'll be here for you, and I'll make sure that we get every last penny we can for each and every one of you. All right, let's get into it and talk about it. So at the beginning of this video, I said $2,400 on the table, potentially even up to $3,000 worth of stimulus for Social Security, retirement, disability, SSDI, and survivors beneficiaries. Now, before we get into it any further, I just want to stop right there for just a second and say, of course, just like so many other things right now, nothing is written in stone. It is all still on the table. Nothing is passed yet, okay? So I just want to make that very clear so that there's no misunderstanding, because usually I say that a little bit later in the video, and I just want to say that right from the very start here. There's a lot of things out there. I mean, literally, there are so many proposals out there. It's like unreal, all these things that are floating around out there. So all we need to do is grab some out of the air. You know what I mean? One quick side note. I just thought of this as I was saying that. Have you ever seen those little cash machines? It's like a plexiglass booth where somebody goes inside, they close the door, and they turn on a really strong fan, and there's like dollar bills floating everywhere, and the objective is to grab as many as you can out of the air. That's kind of what I was imagining, right? All of us are in this one plexiglass booth, and all these bills and proposals are floating around. We're supposed to pluck them out of the air. So anyway, that's what I was thinking of. So that's what you can see was floating around in my mind as I was talking there. So yeah, as you can tell, not much. A lot of cobwebs in my head. Yeah. Anyway, I shouldn't have shared that. That's kind of embarrassing. All right, anyway, let's keep moving here because probably turning red now because I just embarrassed myself. All right, anyway, so what are we talking about here? There are actually a few different proposals on the table specifically focused on Social Security beneficiaries, all of which that I've named a few times throughout this video. So let's lay these out one at a time here, and then we can talk about how this all adds up to $2,400 and potentially even $3,000 worth of stimulus. All right, number one is the $1,400 stimulus check as announced by the Senior Citizens League. We've talked about this one a few times. It is still out there. The Senior Citizens League is an advocacy group for Social Security beneficiaries and, of course, seniors, and they are petitioning Congress to issue a $1,400 stimulus check out to these tens of millions of Social Security beneficiaries. So that is the first $1,400. Nice, right? All right. Next on the table is this $1,000 voucher that we've heard about from senior Senate Democrats who have come out and basically said, we want to send out these tens of millions of Medicare beneficiaries a $1,000 voucher in 2022 to help pay for Medicare benefits. Now, again, we're still waiting on further information on this, but originally they initiated and they talked about a $1,000 voucher. Between $600 and $1,000 voucher. But then Bernie Sanders came out and basically said, let's make it $1,000. So anyway, we're going with $1,000 on this because that's what Bernie said. And typically, whatever Bernie says pretty much goes. All right, so anyway, Bernie said $1,000 for Medicare benefits. Again, not quite sure what they mean by that. But anyway, we're still waiting on further clarification. But that would be the next $1,000. So there we are. We've got $1,400 plus $1,000. Brings us up to $2,000. Do you feel like you're on a game show? Yeah? You want to go for another question? Go for another $2,000? What do you say? Yeah? Or, sorry, I shouldn't say another $2,000, another 600 for a total 3,000. Anyway, do you want to go for the next question? All right, you might have to put a little wager in. Just kidding. The wager will be 0. All right, you don't have to wager anything. All right, so let's talk about this now. The next one would be the potential $2,000 stimulus check that is still out there, that is supported by over 80 members throughout Congress. We've talked about this before, but there is still that proposal out there. Yes, there still is the proposal out there on the table right now to issue a $2,000 stimulus check out to like millions of Americans once again. So if the stimulus check happened to be $2,000 versus the $1,400, if we did the $2,000 plus the $1,000 voucher, that would give us the $3,000, right? Or if they forego the $2,000 stimulus check and they decide to go with the $1,400 plus the $1,000 voucher would be $2,400. Get what I'm saying? So yeah, as you can see, there are 3 different proposals here still on the table. A lot of money at stake here. We could be looking at $2,400 up to $3,000 worth of value between stimulus checks, the vouchers, all kinds of things. But once again, we're waiting on congressional action. As always, it seems like we're always waiting for Congress to do something, right? Oh man, it's one of those things that's funny, but yet it's not very funny. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, haha, it's funny, but not like funny in real life. You know what I mean? So anyway, that's what we have on the table right now specifically for Social Security. So, by the way, when I say Social Security, I mean all of them across the board. Retirement, disability, SSDI, and of course, survivors beneficiaries. Now, SSI, well, you're a totally different story. There are different proposals on the table right now specifically focused on SSI as well. So yeah, I mean, SSI, I could make a new dedicated video specifically focused on SSI beneficiaries, basically going through all of the proposals out there for you as well. In fact, I may have just thought of another video idea. I may just do that for you because, just like Social Security, there are other proposals out there right now for SSI beneficiaries. Interesting, right? So yeah, as you can see, there is a lot of different ideas floating around out there. So either way, I hope this helps you out. I know it's confusing. Don't worry, I am here for you. I will continue doing whatever I can to help you through this time. I want to bring back these videos for you. I want to make them short and sweet, straight to the point, and just lay it all out for you. I do a lot of research on this. I read about this stuff literally every single day. I know, my life, well, we don't need to talk about that. You get it, right? I spend a lot of hours sitting right here every day. So anyway, hope this helps you out. Again, please subscribe right down below the video. I promise you, I'll be back multiple times a day. That is one thing I can promise. I can't promise you terrible jokes every day. Nope, I can't promise that. In fact, I probably shouldn't do that simply because, yeah, we can see how that's going, right? So anyway, but I can promise you I will be here for you every day. So again, enjoy, subscribe right down below the video. I promise you I'll be here for you every day and walk you through this, and I'm very much dedicated and committed to helping you get every last penny that you can throughout all of these stimulus packages and all these proposals and anything else that's out there. I want to do whatever I can to make sure that you are getting every last penny you can out of them. So again, enjoy, subscribe down below, share the videos, and again, I will see you in the next video.